Rainbow Mountain, which is right up there, over 5,000 meters above the level of the sea. We've gone with a private driver, so let's go and explore Rainbow Mountain. So we are currently at an elevation of 4,700 meters above the level of the sea. It's very, very hard to breathe here. So far so good. The path is not very steep at the moment. When you hike at this elevation, you're breathing in air. I think you're losing at least 40% of your oxygen. But we are quite lucky because, I mean, we've been in the country more than 16 days at high altitude, so we've had time to acclimatize. Wow, look at that view. That's incredible. Alpacas. Wow. Decided not to do one of those organized tours. I think they pick you up at 3 in the morning and there's like a caravan of people all turning up at the same time. I think by the time we'll get up there it will be not as busy as it would have been if it would have done an organized tour. So yeah, we've browsed a bit on Facebook and we found this local guide that does a maximum group of 6 people, so he will provide you with a car. He's actually walking with us all the way up. I've just gone a bit in front because they've stopped further down the road here, but yeah, I think you get better experience. You do pay a bit more, but to me is well worth having the place. Not on our own. I'm pretty sure there's going to be people, but it's not going to be as busy as it would have been this morning. This is what you see while you walk on the path. Here comes a steep part. I think from here, even if you do get a horse or motorbike or whatever, you'll have to get off and walk like everyone else. So let's start the real part of the hike now. You can see some people up there. I think that's the Red Valley. Probably going to explore that as well after. Taking a short break, waiting for the others to catch up. We are currently 5,036 meters above sea level. What is the name of that mountain?
Osangate.
Osangate, that's the highest mountain, Osangate, down there. Wow. What an achievement. It's actually snowing now, so I'm descending from 5,000 meters now. I can feel the snow hitting my face. Let's try not to slip, because I might end up all the way down the mountain. I don't know which way is better, probably this way. This is not easy. You got wind as well, quite strong wind. Just try to do this without falling down. Look at that view. Rainbow Mountain, made it. Starting to snow now, and we're gonna run away from here. Let's say goodbye to Rainbow Mountain. Okay. Goodbye to my friend here as well. It's getting bad. Raining at the moment. This is Red Valley. You can see why it's called Red Valley. Shame there's no sun. But there you go. It is what it is.
Hamza Masha. Kapag